Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Bluestack for the latest version. So open bluestack.com and click here on download Bluestack, and please wait for the download, and it start the download, so please wait. And now open the file .x, and click on install now, and it starts to download and installation all the same time, so you can take a coffee until it finish. And the installation is finished, so you can connect to Google Play. So click here on connect and give your account to connect, and that's all. This is how to install Bluestack 4 on Windows 10. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.